So if you stream directly from your console, you know that you can only stream to Twitch. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and stream from your Xbox to Kick. Let's go ahead and dive in. All right, now we are going to need to go ahead and utilize Twitch on our Xbox to be able to go ahead and get that over to Kick. So on your Xbox, we're first going to want to make sure that our Twitch settings are correct. So go ahead and hit the home button on the Xbox. You want to scroll over to where it says live streaming. Go ahead and hit start your stream. If you haven't connected your Twitch to your Xbox yet, just follow the screen, what it says there for you to do. Otherwise, if you're already connected, you want to come down to where it says more options. Now, super important that where it says resolution and bitrate, that you have this at the highest quality possible. That way on Kick, you also have the highest quality possible as well. Now, how do you determine what you can utilize here? You want to go to speedtest.net, and you can do this directly inside of the browser, inside of your Xbox, on a computer or on a mobile device. And it's going to look something like this, where it's going to go ahead and give you your download and your upload. The upload is what truly matters. And if you have at least 12 upload there or higher, you're able to go ahead and utilize the 6,000 option that you see on your Xbox. So once you've double checked that, you want to go ahead and select that there. And now for destination, you want to make sure this is selected as Twitch. Now, before we go live there, we want to go ahead and jump over onto our browser on the Xbox, on the computer. We only need to do this one time to get this set up. And then afterwards, all you have to do is go live in your Xbox and you'll be live on Kick. So let's go ahead and switch over to the computer to be able to go ahead and get this set up. So the tool that we're going to be utilizing today is going to be called Aircast.app, and I'll put a link in the description of this video. You're going to see here that this app is going to allow us to be able to take whatever we're streaming to Twitch and send it over to Kick as easy as possible without the need of having a capture card or utilizing a computer or OBS or things of that sort. Now, Aircast is not free. It is going to be $3 a month pounds or $6 a month pound, which turns into about, I think, $4 to $7 a month in the US, but it's highly worth it because you don't have to spend money on buying a capture card. You don't have to spend money on buying an expensive computer. It does all the lifting for you directly from your Xbox, and it allows you to be able to stream to unlimited destinations. So if you want to go beyond just Kick, you can stream to YouTube, to Facebook, and other platforms, and be able to have this automatically start, and so many other features you have available. So you can go ahead and sign up for that. I recommend the unlimited. Otherwise, you can use the one at a time platform, allowing you to use Twitch and Kick at the same time, and that's more than enough. And I think you get a 14-day free trial on the essential plan. So once you have that in place, it's going to bring you to a profile just like this. The first thing we're going to want to do is we want to stream with Twitch under input. So you want to select that there. It's going to go ahead and prompt you to authorize your Twitch account to be able to gain access to Aircast. Once it's connected, you're going to see here that your profile is going to be connected. It's going to say offline. Now, one of the beautiful things you get when you do the higher plan on Aircast is you get this auto start feature, meaning that once you go live in your Xbox, you can go live directly on any platform that you've selected under the outputs. And for this video, we're talking about Kick. If you don't utilize that $6, $7 a month plan, then you're going to have to make sure you come here into Aircast every time you want to go live to another platform and select go live manually, right? So I'm going to go ahead and select this on. And then what this is going to do is that anytime that I go live on my Xbox, it's going to go ahead and push it live to any destination that I want here. So now what we want to do is we want to select add stream output. Right? This is going to give us all the platforms that we're able to stream to. And you can see here is the option for Kick. So we'll select that and we'll go ahead and name this, and we'll name this Twitch. We'll name this Last Curry Stream. Okay. And this is just for our reference, only for us to be able to see. So now it's going to ask you for your stream key. To be able to get your stream key, you want to come to Kick. You want to make sure you're logged into your account. You're going to come to where it says settings, and then you're going to see an option here on the left-hand side that says stream key. Now it's going to go ahead and ask you for the stream key. You'll see it here. You simply want to go ahead and copy this. Super important that you don't share the stream key with anyone, because anyone who has that stream key is going to be able to stream on your account. So now we'll come back to Aircast and we'll simply go ahead and paste that in there. And then we'll go ahead and select auto start, which is a start this output when your stream is configured to auto start. So what this is saying is that once I go live on Twitch, automatically go live on Kick for me. Again, you do need the higher plan to be able to get that feature. So if it's interest of you, go ahead and utilize that. And if you want to stream to more than just one platform, you are going to need the higher plan as well. So I'm going to hit save there. Okay, and now what's going to happen is here, you're going to see my Twitch. You're going to go ahead and see my Kick. And now we want to come back to the Xbox and go live so you can see what this actually looks like. So now on your Xbox, you want to come up and select go live. You want to give it a few moments to be able to go. Now we're live on Twitch. So now what we want to do is we want to come back to Aircast, and you can see here now that I'm online on Twitch and I'm online on Kick as well, automatically without me having to touch anything. So for me to be able to confirm that, I can come back here to Twitch, go to my channel, and you're gonna see here that I am now live on Kick through my Xbox without the need of anything else, and I'm able to go ahead and stream and start my actual game. Just like that, you'll be live on Kick, ready to go ahead and start growing your community. And then once you're able to go ahead and upgrade and get new gear, you don't need to utilize Aircast anymore to be able to stream to Kick. Now, if you want to go ahead and learn how to go ahead and make your Kick profile look professional, go ahead and click this video right here where I walk you step by step on setting up your about, your panels, and everything you need to make your Kick profile look professional. I'll see you guys in the next video.